Confusion to customers. A simple PR, marketing, communications, and sales roadmap for Nigerian small businesses. Hello, guys. Thank you for signing up for this course and welcome to the course. My name is Folasade Abimbola, founder, CEO, Prime 88 Concepts. Let's get into it. Okay, let's take a look at the table of content or the list of content as it's called here. Module 1 is clarity, Module 2 social media, Module 3 ads, Module 4 press, Module 5 DM automations, Module 6 reviews, Module 7 other tools that help a lot. Module 8 financial breakdown, Module 9 Q&A and course review. Now, under each module, for some modules, we have more than one sub-module, right? For example, for module 1, that is clarity, I think it has about 5 sub-modules, but let's take a look. Before that, a little introduction about myself and why I'm recording this course. My name is Folasade Abimbola. I mentioned that before, founder and CEO Prime 88 Concepts. This course was created for real life PR consultation with small and medium sized business owners across Nigeria. Many business owners come expecting PR to fix everything. What they do not realize is that PR is just one part of the system. Without clarity, marketing, structure, content, ads, review, and follow-up systems, PR alone cannot convert to consistent sales. This course gives you a practical roadmap combining PR, marketing, communications, and sales. So you finally understand what to do, in what order, and why. By the end of the course, you have clarity, structure, budget, and systems that actually work. Now, we've done the reading part. Let me do a little more explanation. So at Prime 88 Concepts, I take weekly consultations, maybe like 5-6 people. And we work on the PR and personal brand. And sometimes it's not just even PR and personal brand. Some work on, communications for their business. Now, the sort of people that we have that come in, they range from people that are creatives, like they're in the creative industry, to executives, business executives, right? Corporate executives who want to build a personal brand and all of that stuff. They range between all those. And we sit down, we work with them, we have conversations. But here's what I noticed, right? Whenever small business owners, whenever they come, they always ask questions in line of sales. For some reason, they assume that PR is going to help them achieve, that the end goal is basically more sales. Instead of seeing it as something that contributes to sales, what I then noticed is that they don't have like a proper sales structure for their businesses. And that's why I thought about putting out this course so that I can just have somewhere to send them. Also, in my personal life, I always end up having to help people with business structure and all of that stuff. And I've learned a lot through my time with building a business and making sure that a business functions properly. Right. So that's what this is about. Yeah. So you learn about marketing, you learn about ads, you learn about what sort of budget you have for ads monthly. You learn about other things that help you, like things that get you seen, known about, how to structure your business and things like that. Anyway, let's get started with module 1. So for module 1, we have clarity, right? We have clarity. Under clarity, we have module 1A. Everything under this module 1 really speaks about clarity, right? So under that, we have module 1A, which talks about your brand story, module 1B, which talks about brand differentiation. Module 1C, which talks about brand communications guide. Module 1D, which talks about your press kit. Module 1E, which is about, having a photo shoot. See you in Module 1.